Okay, guys, we are back again, and now we are in Adobe Audition, and now we're going to go and learn how to reduce background noise with this. All right. So first thing you want to do is just record your segment. Untitled number one. This number one. And yes, you can name this whatever you want. Make sure you're set to 44,100 hertz or 44.1, depending on what software you're using. Mono track, 32-bit flow, and you're good. All right, hit OK. And we are rolling. Okay, so I was breathing a bit. You see some extra spikes here and there. And now we need to reduce it. So make sure that you do Control A or select all. And now you have to go to Effects. Also, there is it's in favorites as well, but let's just start with the basics. So here's what we do. We do the denoise first. Let's take care of denoise first. So denoise, and here is where you can set the amount. So we can hit the track right here. Let's do 33, and let's play this back with this little thing on the bottom left-hand corner, this little play button. And we are rolling. All right, and let's just up this to 100. And we are rolling. Okay, so yeah, you see a bit of a lower thing, and if we apply this, yeah, you see the spikes went down. Now, it's not necessarily going to capture all of that, and if it's above a certain threshold, it's not going to be optimal. And once again, you can always delete it like this, and I'm just going to undo that so we can get the whole picture. Now, hit Control A again, and actually we're gonna, let me just make sure something. Actually, I'm gonna undo denoise just to show you guys this. So we're gonna go to effects one more time. We're gonna do noise reduction process. Okay. We're gonna do, okay. Yeah, so select an area of the waveform that contains only the noise. To reduce, press the capture button, noise print. Press the select entire file button for the noise reduction to apply. All right. All right, just wanted to cover that. All right, so I want to get rid of this portion. Let's say, let's go to here, noise reduction process. All right, and then noise reduction reduced by, you can actually, all right, yeah, and then select entire file button right here. Actually, and apply, actually, or actually, no, wait a minute. Right, capture noise print. Okay. And now we do Control A, and we're going to find this noise reduction process. And you can see the wavelength here, the red, the yellow, and this blue line. We can reduce this up to 100%. So let's just play this back. And we are rolling. And if you can hear that, it's definitely much better, and it cuts down the background noise much easier. We can actually just go back to 50%, and I could actually reduce this to 40 in there, and this is definitely easier to play with. I find it a bit easier to play with than Audacity, actually, but that's just my preference. Maybe you guys like Audacity better in this respect. So let's just play this back one more time. And we are rolling. So much lower again, and you can definitely play around with this to your preference as well if you do have this background noise. So this is why I actually prefer Audition somewhat more at times, certainly in terms of reducing background noise. This seems to be much better than Audacity, and you have a little more free range with these controllers right here. So click apply, and now we see the difference here. And of course, we always see that little spike. So you may want to just delete it there. And yeah, and now we have reduced the noise. So yeah, that'll take care of it. We're moving on. So until the next one, stay safe, stay great. I'll talk to you then.